Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. So today we are meeting up with another YouTuber rider in the Philly area. He goes by Hex on YouTube. So we're gonna take the XXX out. Sorry Hex, I didn't charge my bike or my GoPro, so I'm probably gonna be late to our meeting, but...
What's this cat doing, bro? What you got there, pal? Meow meow. Whoa!
Anyways, bike charging, should be good to go shortly.
All right, guys, we are pulling up. Let's see where he's at. Yo, bro, what's good? Nice to meet you finally. I can't wait to go back to Sumos though. I feel like it looks so good. I like the look of the Supermotos, but the Shinkos make it sit higher too. All right, I guess I'm recording. We got Hayden, and we're just gonna do a little city tour. It's a little chilly. Your first time riding in Philly on this, right? Yes, sir. So I don't know.
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm a bit of a worm as we know, but we're just gonna take Hayden on a little tour. I'm at 50% bike battery and 50% GoPro battery, so it is what it is. Let's get these pads warmed up. Hayden's got a stock XXX, but let's get right into it, baby.
Nice casual little walk there.
Yeah, dude, we're just e-bikes, you know? Bro, this shit was all frozen over just a couple days ago. Let's see. Let's see it. Come on. Hey. He's got it. Just need to tip a little bit further back. Nah, it's good. You just need to go like this much further back. And we are outside. YouTube is definitely gonna demonetize this one, that's for sure. All right, the park.
Like walking it with the handbrake or the foot brake?
Right now it's all handbrake. Handbrake's easier in general. Foot brake is fun too, like, but I really just use the foot brake when I'm taking my hand off this one.
What between both? Are you ever like little hand, little foot when the foot brake's working? Or?
Not, I mean, every now and then maybe, but typically it's like it's all handbrake until I like decide, hey, I want to take off my hand, then I'll just swap to foot brake. Yeah. Love Park circles. Woo! Alright, I think we're gonna head down North Broad, maybe to the Bird Stadium. I don't know. Such a worm, dude.
Crazy.
There we go. XXX is outside. The XXX takeover, you know. Should we bring that shopping cart with us? Just tow it down Broad. I think it's got a lock on it. Guys, we're just cruising down Broad. Battery's not liking this 30-degree weather. 70.4 volts. I think that's like 40%. I'm gonna use my regen throttle, get some battery back. I don't know, maybe we'll grab the charger. Doesn't help that I'm just wheeling the whole time too. Woo! Into the SEPTA bus. Alright, we're coming out of the Bird Stadium. Got wheelie practice going on. Yeah, but just a little more. A little more. So always got to get a little bit further back, and then you can float at balance point. You want to get like right there. We have no foot brake right now, but woo, and it's windy. I saw. It's literally the tiniest bit more you gotta go, and then you're just coasting. It's like you shouldn't even need the throttle. All right, we're down here at the Bird Stadium. Go Birds, baby. There we go. Yep, yep. You're like right there, dude.
I like feel it, but I don't. You know what I mean? Whenever I watch my kid over, I just can't like relax.
Yeah, it's like you go back and just trust that your brakes are gonna work. And trust that you're gonna use them. Guys, I have to say, go Birds. Birds are going to the Super Bowl, baby. Really hoping we best the Chiefs this time. I freaking hate the Chiefs. You just need to go a little bit further, dude. It's all just seat time, dude. I honestly, like, a year ago I sucked too. Like, I wasn't very good at it. But it's just practice is all. You want to try the 72 volt? Give her a go. The stock, back to stock. Stock brakes too. Ooh. So it's the tires, but it's mostly the suspension, because this is a 228 millimeter front fork, so it's taller than this one. But even just the tires do make it sit higher. It's nice, right? Straight moto brake. This bike looks so much bigger now, honestly. All right, can we wheelie the stocky? I forgot how weird the stock power hits. That's mode 1 too. That's only like 9 kilowatt. Are his brake sensors plugged in? Bro, what are you doing, Hex? Bro, do you know why your wheelies are hard? Hold on, pull over here.
Tell me.
Your brake sensor's plugged in.
So, okay, so someone commented that on one of my videos.
Yeah.
So, when I get up like where we were talking about,
Yeah.
and if I just tap it, will it stay there?
No, dude, it's like your bike is, let's say it's up at this point and you're like, let's say you're up here, you're not on the brake, then you tap the brake. The motor is holding the bike up at this point, but you just have no, like, the power just cuts, so then it just wants to fall. That's
it?
Yeah, that's it. You're gonna be so much better.
Seriously, I'm up there, but if I give it anything more, like I'm gone.
Yeah.
Tap it, I'm like,
well, because then you have to be so perfect with the balance, like, because if you hit it and then it cuts out, like you're stay right up. My whip is orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. My bitch is mellow yellow like a soda. These niggas title tellers, I'm a soldier. Hey, somebody tell them niggas better so you know it's baby. What's poppin'? Alright, dude, try it now. I bet you your wheelies are gonna be way better. You never wheelied with that unplugged? Dude, you're about to have the most progress in your life right now. Yeah. So Hayden had his brake sensors plugged in, which is what makes it really hard to wheelie because the power's getting cut out. Ooh, it is windy. Yes! That was already closer to balance point right there. Yep! That's the height you need to be at, though. Guys, my GoPro's gonna die, so I hope you enjoyed what this video was. Definitely more riding videos to come soon, and with Hayden too, probably, so. Yup! But sorry, I just didn't have anything charged. Dude, I would say even go like a little bit slower. Go like 10 to 12 and then pop it, because then you don't have to like yank it as hard. Yeah, put it up right there. I'm ripping the grass. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, that was stupid. That was so dumb. I'm gonna check quick what voltage this means. 25%. That shit is up. And he's just driving it. He's just sending it. 65 volts. Hayden might be telling me home. We'll see. But I'm still trying to give him the full tour. Yeah, it is crazy how much higher this looks like it sits now. Watch it. That wasn't good for the low battery. Here's the 72 volt. We're leaving Hayden in the dust. Till I'm out of battery, that is. Jeez Louise! That damn right. Cheaper than a car.
I was trying to holler at him, but I scared him.
Look at the shopping cart. Just.
This is sick. They're both the same, but his is like heavily modified and mine's just out the box.
Live a rock star lifestyle, always getting wasted. Yeah. Baddie in my mansion, ask her how she wanna play. Lay her proper like a track, I'm counting California faces.